folk festival tour that we were invited to play on. They were doing 35 cities around Germany.
I give them my station wagon, a new car. I said, take it with you, and they were able to travel with the car from venue to venue and all like that. And they tied the double bass up on the top of it.
The very last concert was in the Berlin Philharmonic, and we got a standing ovation, and we went, is somebody trying to tell us something? So we went into the dressing room and we looked at each other and we said, and this is 1976, you know, we just looked at each other and said, will we go professional for a while and see what happens?
Uit Ierland, de groep die u vanavond niet meer zult vergeten, Clannad.
Clannad happened naturally, and I think that that's why there's so much soul and feeling in this sound that Clannad developed. And so you count in. Give me the bell. And
I'm rolling.
Okay. But rest ye merry gentlemen, let nothing you dismay. Remember Christ our Saviour was born on Christmas Day, to save our soul from Satan's power when we have gone astray. Oh, tidings of comfort and joy, comfort and joy. Oh, tidings of comfort and joy. Blessed babe was born, laid within a manger upon this blessed morn, to which his mother Mary did nothing take in scorn. Oh, tidings of comfort and joy, comfort and joy. Oh, tidings of comfort and joy. Madeline, how are you? How are you? No, it's up here, is it?
Yeah.
I haven't been here yet. Oh, that is so exciting for me. How are you?
I'm fine,
Oh,
I'm fine.
Goodness. Thank you so much for coming. You look absolutely amazing.
I'm still hanging in there, ain't I?
You are hanging and more with bells on.
Oh,
come on.
No, she's using puns now.
I know. You know what? I didn't even realize I did.
You know the great thing is that
Moya, I'm Dolph.
we've got
No, hi,
Nice to
I
meet you.
feel as if I know you too. Nice to meet
Very
you.
nice.
we have the same initials.
Yes.
And B. Hey, babe. That is great. It didn't dawn on me.
Popular. You, me, and Max Bygrave.
That's fantastic.
I better call up the queen. It's only better she knows. What we need is a great big
I was so excited because I remember Blue Mink, and I remember just her singing, and she's just this awesome person. And I was kind of even a bit scared, or, you know, in anticipation of meeting her.
Roll on, boys, save a place for me. I'm getting so tired of the company. I'm getting like looks from the big white man.
I didn't know what she'd be like, but she is just incredible. The minute we met, we clicked.
Silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright,
crown young virgin mother and child, holy infant, so tender and mild, sleep in a heavenly peace, sleep in heavenly peace.
So different to her voice-wise. I grew up admiring and loving and wanting to sound like that. So to share and to be able to sing together, singing Silent Night together is just wonderful.
Moya is sweet. Today is the first time we met, and she's lovely. We got on straight away. We actually sang together, and that's not easy to do. I mean, we're two completely different kinds of singers, but we could sing something together. I have always felt like I was blessed. I'm at my age, which I won't say what it is. I've lost so many friends, but I've made it. I'm still here, and I think it's because I'm a blessed child. And I wasn't blessed with children, but I was blessed with everything else, you know. So my grandmother, I think, and my mom would still be proud of me. I know my mom was very proud of me, and my grandmother was proud of me. But though my grandmother never got to see me perform, my mother saw me perform. She came to Holland with me. She went everywhere with me. Everybody knew my mother, Evelyn. And she would be really pleased to know that I'm still doing it, and I've still, what we call, kept the faith. I still keep the faith. I still have my beliefs.
It was, you know, glitz and glam for a while. We did an album, Bono was singing with us, and it was kind of, it was amazing, and it was great times. But, you know, being on stage is not really, you know, are you happy with the way you live your life? I knew I wasn't, and I was still holding back and searching, because you're always afraid to go there. You're always afraid to find out, because it mightn't suit you, or it might restrict you in doing, not having a good time, you know, or something as silly as that. And so, you know, it wasn't until, you know, I had a lot of dark times in my life, broken marriage, just really looking at it, and I did write about it in a book, because I thought that it might interest people, that somebody that's on a stage is really just an ordinary person. Good people, on this Christmas time, consider well and bear in mind what our good God for us has done in sending His beloved Son.